So I'm back in my outdoor office enjoying vitamin C and some beautiful vitamin D today. It is all about getting me out, back into the environment and nurturing my energy, which brings me to my talking point today. We can understand our energy and we can discover how to nurture it. And this is something that I work with my clients with. However, we can't control our energy. We can best hope to manage it. So what does this mean? It means that even the best of us that understand and nurture our energies well, come across bumps in the road. We encounter energy funks. And to be completely honest, that's where I was heading. However, since I understand my energy, I was able to identify it before I headed down that rabbit hole. So I sat with it over the weekend and I unpacked it. So I learnt that why I was starting to spiral is because only a week and a half ago I was celebrating. I was on an energy high. I had experienced some beautiful and highly transformational one-on-one experiences, face-to-face and virtual, with my clients. I had also experienced my highest revenue week, month, actually highest revenue day, okay? I had reworked my goals and I was aiming higher. I was striving higher because I know that it's achievable. Now, after that, return to reality. I returned home after a beautiful weekend, long weekend at Mullaney with my clients and family. And Sophie was back at school. So Sophie, our daughter, she's 11 in March and lives with disability. And the school environment for her is very stressful and causes her high levels of anxiety. So it takes a lot to get her to school and it drains me. So I hope you can kind of see where this is going. So come Friday, Sophie is full fatigue. And being autistic means that when she's in that state of mind, she's really not open to new experiences and is seeking comfort at home. However, myself, I was at the stage, I was needing to get out. I was needing to restore my energy from that tiring week. But, I found myself in a position where I had to put my daughter first on this occasion. So over the weekend, it was quite insular. We were both at home. Sophie did not want to leave the house. And I found myself reading. It brings me joy to read. However, I would have much preferred to read here at the beach. And, this is, my book is here. It will break up my work today. But I awoke this morning, again, getting Sophie to school, but thirsty. I was thirsty to do this. And already I can feel the breeze, the waves, the sea salt, already restoring my soul. And I have no doubt that in this environment today, some magic is going to be created. I can feel it already starting to work through me. So, message of the story today is that you can't control your energy. You can only seek to understand, nurture and manage it. And no matter how well you understand your own personal energy states, the best of us can see ourselves falling in a bit of a funk. But it's important to catch yourself in that, to unpack it, to understand it, and to take action. Take action like I am today. So I hope this has been of assistance to you. If you would like to explore this conversation in more depth, by all means, I'm open for a chat in my DMs or place a comment below and I'll get back to you. Have a beautiful day.